Okay, so when we are subtracting two-digit and two-digit numbers, we need to think about what we already know. So we're going to follow this process that you can see here. So the 5 steps to success. So to start with, our first step, we are going to swap the calculation and put it onto our number line. So we are going to put 25 first, and we are going to put 38 second. So that is how it would sit on our number line, because a number line goes up in value, so the numbers get larger. And then our next step, we are going to show the next multiple of 10 from the first number. So if we look at our 25 here, the next multiple of 10 on from that is 30. So I'm going to put 30 about here. Now, we're not going to use our squares for these calculations because we're thinking about what we know in our head. So using our knowledge of our number bonds, using our knowledge of our numbers that we already know, and not having to count up a number line for this. And then the next step that we are going to take is we are going to jump to the multiple of 10. So we're going to jump from 25 to 30. And we need to figure out the gap between 25 and 30. So instead of counting along the number line, we know that to get from 25 to 30 is 5 jumps. Then our next step, we are going to jump from the multiple of 10 to the last number. So we're going to jump from 30 all the way to 38. So we know that the gap between 30 and 38 is 8. And then the final step we're going to take is we're going to add those 2 jumps together. So we are going to add 5 and 8 together. So we're going to use our knowledge of numbers in our head to add those up. So we can count these numbers if we like on our fingers to help us. So we can start with our biggest number, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 38, take away 25 equals 13.